Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about unusual plants. As the name suggests, unusual means something that is not common, or there must be something unique about them. They are neither plants nor animals. Now I am going to tell you some unusual features about these organisms, which includes bacteria, fungi, and algae. First, let's talk about bacteria. Bacteria obtain their food from dead plants and animals. Now, see this food item that I have cooked yesterday and I forgot to keep it in the refrigerator. And I was surprised to see that there are certain changes that have taken place in this food item. It is giving slightly annoying smell. Its color is also changed. You can see bubbles as well. So children, these changes have happened because of increasing temperature, and due to this, microorganisms like bacteria grow very fast. It can happen in cold weather conditions also, but then it will happen slowly. Similarly, children, I would like to draw your attention on another kind of unusual plants, that is fungi, growing on some objects kept for a long time. You know, children, we need to take certain precautions while storing the leather-made things. You can see there is some change happened to my bag and belt. You can see this fluffy growth, and it is basically a plant. And you must be wondering that what kind of plant it is, as it has no roots, no stem, no leaves. So children, these are unusual plants without roots, stem and leaves. They obtain their food from the rotten things, as they don't have chlorophyll and they don't make their own food. But children, there are few types of fungus which we all relish to eat. They are mushrooms and yeast. Mushrooms can be eaten as vegetables, in soups, in sandwiches, and in so many other things. But yes, there are some other mushrooms which are poisonous and are not edible. You can see this picture of the mushrooms. They are found in different places and are not common. You can see the change in the color as well. So children, these are poisonous and we should not have them in our diet. There is another fungus which is edible and has the great importance in the bakery, as it is used to make the dough fluffy. That is yeast. These are the small granules that make the bread and pizza base soft, fluffy and tasty. You know, children, sometimes a bread is left outside at a room temperature, or it is kept in a fridge for many days. In that case also, it gets spoiled. You can see some fluffy growth and greenish layer on it. So this kind of fungus is called molds. It can grow on vegetables or any other food item. As you know, children, the temperature is very high, so it grows very fast. And it will take more days in winters, because in winters the temperature is very low. Now children, let's talk about algae that are green in color. You know, children, wherever the water is stagnant, or you can say it is not moving and standing at one point. For example, the water could be in a bucket or in a puddle on the roadside, or kept in any container at home for a long time. In that kind of condition, a greenish layer grows on the surface, and this greenish layer is called algae. This is also a kind of unusual plant without stem, roots and leaves. It has something common to the other plants. That is, it has chlorophyll and it can make its own food. So children, I hope this video will be beneficial for you for better understanding. Thank you.